Hello, I want to do a quick unboxing of the Snow Peak cast iron sandwich skillet that I got from Snow Peak. I've been eyeing this for a while, and they were having a little sale, so I decided to bite the bullet and go ahead and do it. Snow Peak cast iron has always been amazing quality, and so I decided to check this guy out. So from the get-go, wow, you can see how smooth this surface is. That's the cooking surface. This is the back side here. And now let's take a look at the lower one. I believe it comes with two sides and then the handles. One side looks like you can do some grill marks, and the other side is fully flat. Should be great for cooking eggs and stuff. Let's see here. It's kind of tough doing it one-handed. Alright. Looks like these are the handles here. Very substantial cast iron. I do believe this comes pre-seasoned, but I usually always do my own seasoning themselves. So this is the grill side, which is definitely a little bit deeper. This will be great for doing steaks and things. This is actually made in Japan. And then I've got one of the fire pits here because I was told that it fits on the fire pit. So, and look at that. It should fit perfectly right there on the fire pit. So, if you're out and you got a fire going, you can cook directly over the fire. Either do some veggies and some steaks here, or you can do the steaks over the regular fire pan. I do like this setup. It looks great. And then being a sandwich skillet, these should come together. And I believe this mates here. And then it seals up. And you can see that it seals tightly here all the way around. And this should also work very well over a regular propane camping stove. Got these, which then lift it up. And the other one looks like it should go underneath here. Let's see. Sorry, I've never done this before, so I am learning as well. That slips in there. That slips in there. Whole thing can be lifted up. Now, it is pretty substantial. Pretty much would require 2 arms to do that. But you can see this completely seals up, so that'll also be great if you're searing a steak and you want to keep it closed up. And this will come around as well. I think it's a great purchase. This is super high quality cast iron. I'm really excited to be able to use this. You can use it on the Baja burner or single burner as well. I also have the regular double barbecue, which it'll work on because I know that these is all the same setup and same width. So super excited. Thanks for taking a look. Love the quality Snow Peak stuff, and thanks for watching.